สวัสดีครับ My name is Thaiselect Pramuwan People in this area call me Neil. Welcome to Bangkok Spoon Deluxe. We are located at 57 King Street West in Dundas, Ontario. I am proud and honored to receive Thai Select Classic from Royal Thai Government.
Experience the relaxing ambience of Thai-inspired decor from the main dining room or the outdoor patio or all-season patio. Bangkok Spoon Deluxe offers a wide variety of authentic Thai dishes using fresh local produce along with Thai ingredients such as Thai hom mali rice, riceberry rice, fish sauce, and coconut milk. The most famous dishes are Pad Thai noodles, which is a local favorite, beef with oyster sauce, and volcano seafood, served on a sizzling plate.
Please come and join us and support us.
If you are in Southern Ontario, be sure to visit Bangkok Spoon Deluxe.